says they just started World War III. Well, listen here, truckers and missiles don't scare me. The blacktop's boiling, flowing like a river, but I got a load that I'm gonna deliver. It's to the truck stop at the end of the world. Oh, there's a cute little waitress with her, Betty Grable thighs, pouring coffee that glows, serving radioactive fries. My buddy beside me turned red, white, and blue, saluted the flag, and then he faded from view. Went fishing, nuclear fishing at the end of the world. Sorry, trucker, but you can't go back. They just hit Chicago with a sneak attack. LA to Frisco, one big steaming hole. So don't worry about me, I'm gonna make it. I got my rig wound up, man, I'm gonna take it to the truck stop at the end of the world. Down to the truck stop at the end of the world. So don't worry about the scales, they're reading in megatons. And douse them lights, we got a brand new midnight sun. I just passed one of them RV campers, mom and pa putting baby in the lead line pampers. They got a changing table at the end of the world. Oh, there's a mass of twisted steel where the cities used to stand. And there's a foul green haze settled in over the land. There ain't nothing underneath that poison gas but crusty old truckers, and we're all hauling ass to the truck stop at the end of the world. Sorry, trucker, but you can't go back. They just hit Chicago with a sneak attack. New York to D.C., one big steaming hole. So don't worry about me, I'm gonna make it. I got my rig wound up, man, I'm gonna take it to the truck stop at the end of the world. Down to the truck stop at the end of the world. Trucker, but you can't go back. They just hit Chicago with a sneak attack. LA to Frisco, one big steaming hole. So don't worry about me, I'm gonna make it. I got my rig wound up, man, I'm gonna take it to the truck stop